Hello viewers, Big Billion Day sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale has already started for the Plus member and Prime members respectively. For the regular users who are not Plus members or Prime members, the deal will start tonight midnight at 12 am. But as the sale has started, a lot of people are in confusion. So in this video, I will answer 10 questions asked by users about various tablets. The first question is, which is a better tablet, OnePlus Pad or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus? If you ask me, I will suggest you to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. There are many reasons behind this. The main reasons are the display, the note-taking experience, the large battery life, and also the software updates of Samsung is very regular. On the other hand, OnePlus Pad is also a very good option. You can buy the 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage at about 23,000 rupees on Flipkart. So it is your choice whether you should buy Samsung products or you should go for OnePlus Pad. Next question asked by users about OnePlus Pad and iPad 9th generation. Actually, the price of iPad 9th generation on Flipkart is 17,999. So this is a very good deal, but you will get only 64GB of internal storage. And if you buy OnePlus Pad, in that case you have to pay around 22,999 and you will get 256GB of internal storage. So if you consider storage, OnePlus Pad 2 is better for you. Otherwise, the optimization and the gameplay is better on iPad 9th generation. However, OnePlus Pad is also good for gaming. The third question, whether they should buy iPad 10th generation at 27,000 rupees or they should wait for another sale. Actually, during the GOAT sale, many people have bought iPad 10th generation at 26,000 rupees. But in this sale, actually, a lot of people were eager to buy iPad 10th generation, and that's why Flipkart has raised the price and you are getting this product on Amazon.in with SBI credit card at 26,999. So if you have no urgency, I will suggest you to wait for few days when another sale will come and there may be a price drop on iPad 10th generation. But if you are eager to buy this tablet now, you can also buy at 26,999. This is also a very good price. The fourth question is about OnePlus Pad 2, whether they should buy this tablet, the 128GB at 26,000 rupees. Actually, this is also a higher price tablet. In the launch offer, you could have bought this product at 33,000 using all the offers and credit card discounts, but now I can see that the product is on the higher side. So it is your choice whether you want to pay a hefty amount to buy OnePlus Pad 2. The fifth question is about iPad Air 5th generation, whether they should buy iPad Air 5th generation at 42,000 rupees. Actually, I have predicted that the price will come near 42,000 rupees and it is exactly 42,000 rupees. At that price, you can buy iPad Air 5th generation. This is a very good option, but I would suggest you to go for the 256GB version at around 50k because that will give you more value for your money and you will have a long-term usage and long-term usage satisfaction with that product. The sixth question is about MI Pad 6. Many users want to know whether they should go for MI Pad 6. Actually, MI Pad 6 is a very good tablet. It comes with Snapdragon 870 processor, which is a very efficient and very good processor. So if you want flagship level hardware and you don't bother about software updates, in that case MI Pad 6 is a very good option for you. You can buy this tablet at 17,999 at Amazon.in using SBI credit card. Next question asked by users is about Samsung Galaxy A9 Plus. Actually, you can buy Samsung Galaxy A9 Plus at about 11,749 rupees and you will get around 7,000 rupees cashback with SBI credit card. So this is a very good option, and this product is actually on offer on both Flipkart and Amazon. So if you want to grab this tablet, you can definitely buy. This is a very good tablet. You will get large display, good sets of speakers and also software updates, but you will not get any pen support along with this tablet. Another user want to know whether they should buy Tab S9 FE or S9 FE Plus. Actually, S9 FE and S9 FE Plus are the same products, only the RAM is different on both the models. You will get 6 GB of RAM with the base version of Tab S9 FE and you will get 8 GB of RAM with Tab S9 FE Plus. Plus, you will get 11 inches display on Tab S9 FE and there is a 12.4 inches LCD display on Tab S9 FE Plus. Now you have to ask yourself whether you need a large tablet or you can adjust with a smaller display. Both the tablets are very good. However, the processors are not as powerful as any iOS tablet like iPad 9th generation or 10th generation. The next question some users asked me is about Samsung Galaxy S9. Actually, they want to buy this tablet, so they asked me whether 43,000 is a handsome price for this product or not. Actually, the answer is yes. You can get a very good experience with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Another users want to know about Kingone pencil. This is a third-party pencil and they want to know if this Kingone pencil is compatible with other iOS devices like iPad Air, iPad Air Pro or any other iPad. The answer is yes. It is compatible with all the iPads. iPad 9, 10 and higher models are supported by this iPencil. Another users want to know about Poco Pad. If you want to buy Poco Pad, you can buy, but there is a problem with Poco Pad. The battery life of this tablet is not so good. Many users are complaining about battery drainage and heating issues. So if you can adjust these issues, it is a very good option if you want a 5G tablet. So these are some questions that users have asked me and I tried to answer these questions through a video. If you still have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.